So my friends, welcome to a new crypto update video. Today it's about Internet Computer, or ICP. You know that we have already taken quite a bit of profit there. Nevertheless, in my opinion, it's time again for a broader update video on this altcoin. Is it worth possibly reinvesting here? Where are the next buying zones? You'll definitely find out all of that in this update video. Before we start, feel free to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And of course, feel free to join the free Telegram chat and join the Signal group. If you're interested in updates, news, and signals, feel free to join. You'll find the links for free below in the video description. If you want to buy, trade, or do anything else with ICP, you can of course do that with my partner. Exchange Binks. By the way, you can also stake it there. If that interests you, the link is also in the video description or in the comment section. Yes, we are currently trading here at $7. Let's take a quick look at CoinMarketCap. We have a total supply of 530 million tokens. A maximum supply is still unknown or infinite, and a current circulating supply of 480 million. That means the majority of the tokens, let's say about 90%, are now out. If we look up here, as always, you know the chart. Up here, the market cap, then always take a look. We also see, okay, a few more tokens have been added, so it doesn't quite match the chart. Hardly any movement, and then the market cap has gone up a bit again. So we now have, let's say, compared to the high from last year in March, currently only a 1.5x, which would theoretically be possible here. And we always use that a bit as a reference point. Back then, we had a high of $21. If we now assume 1.5x, then we would be at around 14, approximately $17, $18. And then we would be at this high that we had here in December. So you can already tell we came back to the market dry. The market capitalization has been shifted a bit. So the first point is to be a bit more cautious regarding targets. Of course, we fell through the golden pocket, but that's not the problem. The first buying zone was actually here, or rather, it has been in this zone. We have been here quite often, between, let's say, $8 and down to $6.70. I would now even extend this zone significantly downward, or rather I would enlarge the zone down here a bit. Namely down to just below from $5.55 to about $4.50. That is the second buying zone. The third, and then also the last one, for now is down here. It is really at bear market level or bear market lows at $3.30 to $3.20. I hope we don't reach that. The thing is with ICP, if people are really interested in investing here, please don't be so caught up with moon prices. Because think about it, you know, we came from up here. It was abnormal. I would never go by that. So if someone says, yes, ICP hasn't had a bull run yet, we need to at least reach $200, $300, we'll take a look at the market cap. So I would orient myself a bit by the market cap. And above all, we also have a bit of a time horizon here. On one hand, we have the high from March, then we have our high, which is here from, let's say, December. And just that alone is already 100% over 100% at the moment. Then the one from last year in March is 200%. Be satisfied with that for now, because I think much, much higher than even the maximum here. These levels up to, let's say, $24, in my opinion, it won't go there at the moment. As soon as we have a bottom here again, we can, of course, do another analysis by, let's say, setting a new fib level. Then the 1.618 would be here in the 30 range and would roughly align with this inefficiency up here. That would fit, but I don't think we are at the bottom yet. That's why we need to be cautious here. That would be 340%. Therefore, please keep taking profits. Especially with cryptocurrencies like these, where more and more new tokens are being released, it slightly distorts the market cap, of course, and thus also the price targets. That's why it's better to take profits, relax a bit, and be done. Just take those 100% with you. We discussed it in the live stream last week. For some coins, it might even be better to sell everything after just 100%. That might be one of those things where I would say, okay, here I might not play with too much risk anymore. And just say, okay, take the 100% and be happy, but don't expect us to head towards $100 or something like that, because we've been there in the past. Please be very, very careful. Also, at $15, there's currently the golden pocket. Feel free to write your opinion in the comments. Are you invested? Will you invest more? Feel free to write it in the comments below. Feel free to suggest more altcoin requests. And otherwise, that's it from me. Have a great week. Take care. Until then, bye-bye, and as always, stay cool.